Oh, good morning, pineapple. Looking very good and very nice. It's been raining a lot lately. So me, I go touch the river forward. Well, I remember most of dance. From the river. From the bank. Boy. Alright. Oh, sis, what's this? I have touched the water, and now it's time to go home. You thought I was gonna swim? No, I'm a land creature. Goodbye, good friends, goodbye. This is just the beginning. There's way more to show you. If you want to see more, give me 100,000 views, 100 shares, and 1,000 comments saying part 2. And I'll show you the Airbnb. The view from the Airbnb is crazy. And then there's the big falls at the end. I'll show you the top of the falls, the bottom of the falls, and a whole tour. So it's a deal, alright? Let's go.